From the start, I lost my step deep within your eyes and your soft silhouette. The way you move, both gentle and wild. If only I could feel you for a while. I can't hear anymore. Now you are all I'm waiting for. I can't eat, I can't sleep no more. Haunted by your scent through every open door. Try to reach for you, but all I feel is hollow coming through. I can't hear anymore. Now you are all I'm waiting for. I am fading more and more. You are the part I can't let go. Can't let go, go, 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 go. You packed your boots, but you left the dirt. Stitch yourself into my favorite shirt. I told myself it's just a stage, but every thread is tied to your name. You took the truck, but you left the keys to every door you had locked in me. You said you call when the roads ran dry, but now you're stuck chasing the miles of goodbye. It's not the weight of what we did or didn't take. It's all the words we bent until they finally broke away. We packed it up. side.